Great morning, you guys. I have not recorded one of these in like a week. But anyways, it's Monday, it's June 15th, it's 9:20. So market opens in 10 minutes. We're gonna get straight into it, and whatever we need to yap about, we yap about as we go. So starting off, price is starting to move back up. So our previous all-time high is here. We have price came back to this area, tapped into this zone, and literally shot back up. We do have a gap as well. Price can come back and fill the gap, just like it did that other time when I was waiting for it back around May. It's somewhere, but it came back. It happened somewhere here. Came back, filled that zone. So we do have a zone we can keep marked up. We do have a gap we can keep marked up just in case price ever wants to come back. I won't be missing the opportunity. I will not be missing the opportunity because I missed this one after I was waiting on it for so long. But it's okay. We're not going to dwell on that. But yeah, so this is the daily. Price is currently strong buying pressure. So looking to catch some strong buys coming into this morning, creating all new all-time highs. We're at 30,800. So probably looking to catch something at 31,000, maybe even 31,500. But that's as far as I will go. So anyways, let's continue. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yep, my gap. Price has broken this structure. Buyers are losing momentum. It could have been just overnight though. They could come back in and continue up. It could even come in, fill the gap, and then push back up. But I'm not seeing anything as of now. If anything, I would just like it to see. If anything, I would like to see it create a new high, create a new zone, and then we enter. If not that, I would like for it to fill this gap, tap into a zone, one of these three zones, or just this area in general, and then push back up. Now we're on the 15. Yeah. So even if price pushed above here, I would like to see price pull back just a tad. Just a tad. It doesn't have to. We can keep moving up as well, but a nice pullback wouldn't be bad, especially since we have this gap. But I am going for buys. That is my bias. I am going for buys. I'm expecting price to push up. So we don't have indication price wants to continue just yet because it needs to break this high, or it needs to pull back to a zone, close outside the zone, and then push up. So we don't have any of those just yet. So yeah, we are starting from the top today. From the top. Let's go down to the 5. Interesting. Oops. Yeah, price is moving sideways right now, so there's no direction currently. We would need price to break this structure. Market opens in 5 minutes. We would need price to break this structure. Looks like it's about to happen. Let me get ready, because if it's happening, I would like to be a part. That is something I would like to be a part of. So let's get ready. Okay, so now we're just waiting for market to open. Market has 3 minutes until it opens. So let's see what happens. Let me zoom back out to the 1 hour. Golly. Like I said, we have this gap. Yeah, price can pull back or price can just keep pushing up. It can do whatever it wants. But we have buys on all time frames. So that's what I like to see. There we go, the push. So since it broke this structure, we now have our indication that price wants to push higher. Now we create our zone, which is the previous candle of the opposite color. That's the area, or that's the zone, or that's the candle that price pushed out of. All I do is put a around it. All I do is put a rectangle around it. So when price comes back to this area, what I'll look for is price to tap and then close outside. Or if price is in the zone, I'll look for pressure coming outside of the zone in the direction that I want. So in today's case, since I want buys, I will look for bullish, bullish pressure. So yeah. Market isn't open just yet. Let me look at the 1 minute. We got some zones on the one, but okay. So we have a new zone on the 1 minute because this candle broke this structure here. So now we wait for price to come back and tap. Noah. Then we can get an entry. This is on the 1 minute though, so, and we're almost at the all-time highs. I would have preferred price to come back and tap into this 5 minute, but the way it's just moving up, I don't know if that's gonna actually happen. So let's see if we get this tap. We're gonna be quick with it. As soon as it taps, I'm gonna get in aggressive. The zone is pretty big, or at least it looks big. That wasn't even a tap. That wasn't even a tap. Wow. Let's see if it come back. Okay, that was a tap. I'm in. I guess I'm in. I'm talking about I guess. Let's see. That's not bad. I'm aiming for a 1 or 2. Potentially. Golly. One and two would push right above. We'll see. I might not go all the way to all-time highs. Let's see how it reacts. It wants to get close. But this is on the 1 minute, so let's see how everything else is looking. Golly. I'm gonna see if it can get to at least a 1.5. And then I'll get out. Because we'll be at that all-time high, and I don't know how price is gonna react. Mommy. Yeah, and we're currently in this zone, so Mommy. On the 1 hour. Okay, we're about to get out. Just letting it finish push. I looked away for 5 seconds. Okay, let me see. Let's see if we can get back to this. I looked away for 5 seconds. These kids, I tell you. There it is. Noah, don't put that in your mouth. Get it from him. Okay, leave him. I keep looking away, y'all. I might have to hop out because it already hit my 1.5, but I keep looking away. It's Noah. Come on, one more time. It really could push, but I'm gonna get out. Am I? Am I really? I'm gonna get out. Okay, now I'm gonna get out. I'm out. All right. Got out. Oh, whoops. We got out about here. All right, cool. That was a cool little trade. All right, so that was today's trade. I am looking for price to break all-time highs. I could have sat in it, honestly, because it looks like that's where it's about to hit. A 1 to 2 is like somewhere right here. And it for sure can do it, especially with the buying pressure that we saw this morning in this gap. Definitely has the ability to do so. So I definitely think it's going to happen if it's not happening right now, actually. But yeah, that was today's trade. I took it on the 1 minute, because of the pressure. As you can see on the 5 minute, it never came back. But on the 1 minute, it came back. We did have this first zone here, but it got invalidated. But then it created this new zone because this candle broke this structure. This candle broke this structure coming out of this zone. So we created the zone. It tapped into the zone. I got an aggressive. Drawdown was close to none. And we stayed in it up until a 1 to 6. So that's pretty cool. If we were aiming for a 1 to 2, we would probably still be in it. But I just wanted to see how price would react once it gets to this all-time high, because it could tap in the reverse. It could tap and push up. I don't know, and I'm not going to guess. So I got out of it. But But that is today's trade. Yeah. As you can see, price came and it is now reversing. So that's why I didn't want to aim for the all-time high. Could have reversed and then push up, absolutely, but I didn't want to be a part of it because it could reverse and then come back to that gap. It could reverse and do anything. Not something I wanted to be a part of. But yeah, for the most part, it's just as simple. We decided what our bias was, which was buys. We got buys. We got an indication price wanted to push up. We waited for price to come back and tap our zone. We got an aggressive, and we did our stop loss and take profit and we got out our take profit. So that was the trade of the day. We are done. We're done. It's only 9:54, so almost 30 minutes on the charts. But that is it, y'all. I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. It's been a crazy month. A lot of things going on, a lot of activities, a lot of stuff. So it's going to probably be very sporadic with me posting, but we'll get back to it for sure in July. So I will potentially see you guys tomorrow. Bye.